Hi my friends, welcome to another video. So the last video I made was about a tea that can help you check your high blood pressure. Okay, so and I promised to come up with another recipe also that can still do the same thing. And this recipe is for those who think you know what, I don't like the taste of ginger, or I don't just like anything about tea idea. Don't worry, I've come with another recipe about fruits and vegetables, and in a short while I'm going to show you. So stay tuned and enjoy this. Here is the juice, so I'm going to stir it. Wow, this is beautiful. So hi my friends, so we have the juice here, and a cup of this a day will keep that high blood pressure on check. Like I said, I did this other recipe just in case you don't like the tea one, or maybe you don't like maybe the taste of garlic or ginger or something. This is another option for you, you see. So just about 4 ingredients, you're good to go. So a cup of this every day, I tell you, you don't need to take any high blood pressure pills. Trust me, give it a try, and you will thank Mother Nature for having kept all these remedies for us. All we need to do is to just know what exactly to use at what time. Okay, so until I see you in another video, stay healthy, eat healthy, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, click that red button that shows subscribe and click the bell sign. That way anytime I upload a video, you will get a notification. And do well also to share this video. You never can tell who you will be helping. Okay, let's share information, let's share knowledge, and yeah, take care. I love you guys. Bye bye.